how to buy crypto token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token, and don't forget to check their social media accounts. So, this token is available on the explainer. It created 17 hours ago and increased by 6,000% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trends in number 9 in the Ethereum section on the explainer. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget white folder. As you can see, now go to your wallet, and from the top right corner, click here and select the Ethereum network. After that, as you can see, click here on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, before going on buy and add this token to your wallet, make sure to read that warning. And if you are ready to go, just click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, after that, go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Krypto. Now, after you find it, what you need to do, just click here or click on it and now click on swap. Now, make sure to switch it from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and now you can type here how much you want to buy, as you can see. So this is how much you will be able to receive, and after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy crypto token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.